we need some arc footage. Upload it and select the turning portions only. Trim your video duration 1.8 second a day as you like. Then go to Speed, select Curve. Then select Custom. Then delete second beat and fourth beat. And create the same pattern that I created. Then go to Smooth Slow-Mo. Select Better Quality. Now duplicate the clip. Select Duplicated Clip, then select Reverse. Do the same things for all other clip. Now you learned Speed Ramp effect. For better output, adjust it with beat point.